Hello everyone, my name is Bryce Henson. I'm owner of 3 Fit Body Bootcamp locations, as well as OC Crowd Spa based in Southern California. So definitely very involved in the health, wellness, and fitness industries. And recently I attended a conference or workshop hosted by Jim McCarthy and was absolutely blown away by the content that he provided and the overall experience. Left very inspired, but primarily the first thing that spoke to me was the level of content, which really made me think about my purpose, my passion, and where I wanted to go with my life and then my career. And the second part was the inspiration. So he shared some pretty inspiring stories about his own life and ultimately how we can use that into our own lives and affect other people in our influence. So it was very, very inspiring. I left not only inspired, but also with some real world action steps on how to better my business, how to better myself as a person in terms of my personal growth, as well as my career. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, make sure to share with your friends. And then also you can click the red subscribe button in the corner there to get regular video updates from me. Hope you find that helpful. Take care. Thanks.